How supply chain managers should react in order to mitigate the impact of inflation, let's discuss. There are certain measures which supply chain or procurement managers can do, like overstocking or buy more to ensure supply. Second, to find out new low-cost supplier and ensure the consistent rates. But either of these resolutions require high level of research, and these are time consuming with very less success rate. So rather than reacting to the problem of inflation when it occurs, the prudent way to plan for it. There are two proactive ways by which any organization can proactively react to the situation. One, by doing supply chain risk management. Second, creating resilient supply chain. We have separate video on supply chain risk management. You can check it out on the I button here. Let's discuss creating resilient supply chain. A resilient supply chain is defined by its capacity for resistance and recovery. But to be truly resilient, a supply chain must be able to forecast and anticipate disruption, and in many cases avoid them altogether. So how resilient supply chain work? First, optimizing production with supply chain planning. Through supply chain planning, supply and demand requirements are better understood and production is harmonized. This connected, forward-looking approach helps business better anticipate issues, limit the impact of supply chain disruption, and improve overall operation. Second, understanding and leveraging data. When a business has the digital system in place to analyze and make sense of big data, it leads to significant improvement in supply chain resiliency. News, competitor activity, sales reports, and even customer feedback can all be analyzed altogether to spot trends and opportunities. This powers intelligent automation across the network and gives supply chain managers the real-time insights they need to respond quickly to disruption and unexpected events. Third, diversifying suppliers and manufacturing partners. Traditionally, supply chain managers look to minimize the number of partners and suppliers in their network to reduce operational and logistical complexity. This strategy relies upon social, environmental, and political stability. Unexpected disruption in one region can impede or even halt operation across the entire network. So, the cost of retaining multiple supply locations must be seen more as a cost of doing business rather than an efficiency. 4. Implementing capacity and inventory buffers. Supply chain profitability has long depended upon minimizing surplus and keeping inventories as lean as possible. Capacity and inventory buffer cost money, and supply chain managers have often gambled against disruption in order to keep costs low. When the pandemic hit, many companies learned the true cost of the gamble. Companies should move from just in time to just in case when it comes to restructuring their supply chains and manufacturing operation, and shift their investment priorities toward resilience building solutions.
If this clip got your gears turning, then you're going to love the full video on our channel, 10 minutes for supply chain, links in the description below. Don't miss it. Give this video a big thumbs up, drop a comment to share your thoughts, and don't forget to share it with your team. Hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon for weekly breakdowns of the global supply chain. Join membership button, become a member for exclusive content, early access, and global logistics insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay informed, stay ahead, and always supply smart.